Hi. Today, Connie asked a question about the word generation in Jesus' statement, both in Matthew 24:34 and also 23:36, where Jesus says this generation won't pass away until these things happen. And Connie asked a question based on a note in her New American Standard Bible of whether or not the word could mean race. And I wanted to show you a tool you can use, an online tool called Bible Web App, BibleWebApp.com, that you can use to answer questions like this really easily. So I'm going to put that up on the screen right now. And there it is. And you can see it is BibleWebApp.com. You don't actually have to type in the word study. If you just type in BibleWebApp.com and hit return, it'll come up here on your web page. And I have selected the New American Standard Bible, which I think is this is the one you should use for this because you can have access. It's linked to the Greek text, and that's what this little symbol here means. So New American Standard Bible, I have that linked. And then over in the second pane, I have selected the Tischendorf Greek text. And you can select any one of these that have links by it. It's all fine. Tischendorf's 8th edition, Westcott and Hort, SBL Greek New Testament, or the Septuagint, which is the Hebrew Old Testament. So I'm using Tischendorf. It doesn't really matter which one you use actually for this exercise. So what you want to do is put in the verse that you're looking at. So we were looking at Matthew 24:34, I think. Truly I say to you, this generation will not pass away until all these things take place. That's what we were looking for. You can see as I highlight the words that they're also highlighted over in the Greek side there. That word is genea. And if you just click on it, just a regular click on the word generation, the word that's highlighted, this short definition comes up, and you can look through it and read the definition. But the thing I wanted to show you is that if you want to find all occurrences in the New Testament, you would click here. And before I do that, let me just say that this number 1074 in parentheses here, that is the Strong's number, if you're familiar with the Strong's numbering system. Gentlemen, about 100 years ago, 150 years ago, went through the entire New Testament and Old Testament and assigned numbers to each of the words so that they would be easier to locate in a search. And now we have computers and we still use this searching system. Find all occurrences of genea, generation. It's approximately 49. You can see it over here. Genea, Strong's 1074, generation. It's translated 29 times in the New American Standard, which I'm using. It's translated generation 7 times, kind 1 time. And then I'm just going to close this other window here, but you can also search on just regular words like I've done here with truth and love. You can see every text in the New Testament where this word genea, the Greek word underlying the translation generation, is translated. So that's the word genea. And there it is. You can see it in the middle there. They're all highlighted all the way across. And you can look through every single text so that you can see how this word is used in the New Testament. So basically that's what I wanted to show you, BibleWebApp.com. Very useful tool. I would encourage you to explore it. And again, to get the linked ones, you have to use the New American Standard and select a Greek text, any of them that have that linked sign just by scrolling through. Okay, I hope this is helpful. God bless you.